Hey guys, Rad Performance. This is the backlash of the 72 Skylark. Right now he's on the rotary buffer. He's making even passes. We have the Norton Ice product on it. We're doing a cut, take out all the imperfections. That way it's gonna look really good when we drop it in. So you do your buff inside of crosshatch pattern one way and then come back the other way, 3 to 4 passes. Wipes it off with the microfiber. Should be crystal clear for the most part. We're doing both sides. We're gonna set it in here. You want to make sure that your clips are in. We have new clips. These came from, I think, either the restoration or eBay has them too, depending on what car you got, what you're looking for. All of these are different depending on what car you have. So you want to make sure you get the right ones. They're obviously going to have a lot of tension. Some are going to be tougher than others, but you definitely don't want them to be wiggling in the wind. This guy used some screws. Looks like that's the reproduction kit, like it'll use a screw. Some of them have pins if you're able to reuse the stock components that are still there if they're in good shape. But as you see, it has a lot of different positions for the clips. I would hold in the molding so the moldings don't come flying off. You want to make sure these are good. And then I'll show you the window adhesive. So the window adhesive, I believe, yes, this is your primer. First, you're gonna prime it, prime the surface, and then this is your actual urethane. So your urethane, you wanna put it on, it's supposed to be like a pyramid whenever you lay it on, a thick bead with, so that way, in a pyramid shape, so that way whenever you lay the window on, it compresses the pyramid, creates a nice, flat, even seal. Okay guys, so we have it laid in. You want to put that primer on first. You see all the edges are black. And then we made our own little shims. You can either get the GM square ones. We just use some fuel line. You want to make sure you have even spacing all around the window. You want to make sure you test fit it. Make sure the concave and or the convex is proper. Obviously this looks perfect. So we're going to go ahead and lay the urethane in now.